Let's make some lunch for my kids. Today I'm using Dietz & Watson Applewood smoked bacon. While that's cooking, I have iceberg lettuce here. I'm making a wedge salad. We have our bacon. I'm gonna chop it up into crumbles, cut some tomatoes up. I'm adding the tomatoes right on top, and now the bacon crumbles. I'm also using Dietz & Watson's Originals blue cheese. Like everything from Dietz & Watson, they are free from artificial flavors, fillers, and MSG. I'm using this cute little container to add some ranch, and they can squeeze it on later on their salad so it doesn't get soggy. Now for the sides, I'm adding raspberries, blackberries, another D&W Originals Kobe Jack cheese. Many of their cheeses in their Originals line are also USDA certified organic. I'm using some fun shapes to cut out the cheese. I made a circle, diamond, triangle, and a square. I'm adding those to the bento box. And lastly, some garlic pita chips to eat with the cheese. And now for the note I'm writing, everything happens for a reason.